I'm a max, they can hate, that's okay. I'm a stunt with my team, get this money, find a way. It ain't cool. Yes, you want me, but we keep it on the low. I'm the GOAT, I'm the GOAT, I'm the motherfucking GOAT. It ain't no, I'm a max, they can hate, that's okay. I'm a stunt with my team, get this money, find a way. It ain't cool. Yes, you want me, but we keep it on the low. I'm the GOAT, I'm the GOAT, I'm the motherfucking GOAT, yeah.
What is good, guy? You already know the fucking vibes. I'm back with another video with a bike check. I'm with this nigga, he's retarded. I'm with Worm 1, Worm 2, Worm 3, Worm 4. You get the vibes, all worms.
Five.
Nah. Alright, but not that ass though. Today, y'all mostly requested this video, a bike check video, so I'm gonna be bike checking the Spring Green one of a kind fat ripper.
Piece of shit.
Piece of shit like yours. Let's go show this bike real quick. What is this? What is this?
No way.
Yeah,
Yes, that shit is moving, bro. Whoa.
My nigga, that shit garbage, bro. I mean, I got a whole hoagie.
Oh shit.
Oh.
You catch this retard?
Hey! Whoa!
My nigga nice.
Okay. What the fuck?
Yeah, this nigga pulled up in a whole go-kart.
I don't know what just happened, but anyway, back to the video. Today I'll be showing y'all the bike video, you know, get a little, show a little bit about it, but yeah. If y'all don't know what this bike is made about, it's made out of,
A piece of shit like.
shut the fuck up. This bike is made from, an idea I made from the Spring Green Ripper originally, and I realized nobody made a fat ripper, so why not do it? So, your boy did it, 1 out of 1, one of a kind, nobody has this John, you can look it up. But anyway,
You should tag it.
so far, what the bike has though, it has, you wanna come closer? It has these Black Ops gold pedals, stock gold sprocket with Black Ops pegs, gold chain sensor, 2018 fat ripper rims, big flyer, yellow seat, you know, with that good grip. You need good grip, if not, you're slipping off the seat by doing combos. But about these pad sets, they're not the original ones. These are actually from the 2018, but you know, your boy had a little detail with the paint, you know, designed my own way. But anyway, you get the vibe. But the bike's power coded by the man behind the camera, that guy Dark Dick. Anyway,
You know what? Fuck you, nigga.
and I don't know if I can tell, but the best part about this bike, in my opinion, is the tire. You know, your boy did that himself as well, but the tire is probably like the best part because nobody has that. Like, who you know has a tire design like that? You know what I mean? But also, I didn't mention about the gold stem, but also, yo, I gotta show you this. Come look at this shit. Let's see if I can take it off. This shit, bro, fucked up bad. Look at that.
Oh.
I don't know what happened here. Look in there. I don't know what happened, but Bike Cave, my boy John, I'll be seeing you soon. If you, I don't know what happened here, but shit fucked up and all that. But yeah. Well, so far this is the bike. I forgot to mention also these do have mushroom grips, best grips that I could say, and not only that. They got them hydros, bro. What you know about that? The hydros. But without this bike being done, though, I wouldn't be out. I couldn't think what's the name behind the camera, Asher. Thanks to him, he did the paint job for me. And also, big shout out to Bike Cave for giving me the last piece of the part. Like they hooked me up with the chain, pedal, peg, chain sensors, all that good stuff. Yeah, I definitely want something done on your bike. I would go to Bike Cave. They're probably like the. I didn't say my but yeah. Bike Cave is probably like the best bike shop to go to. They'll hook you up with anything to help your bike out, to make it look nice, all that. Just show them some love. I'll probably put their number, the location, all that somewhere on the screen. But yeah, but so far this is the bike, and I'll probably give you a little montage. So yeah, here you go.
Oh Lord, I've been moving different, seeing colors, new bitches, same brothers, Miley Cyrus, off the mileage. I've been moving different colors, shining together, buying together, fall in love, let's fall in love. I've been seeing others, different women, different colors, shining together, diamonds buying together. Take our time together. West side, bonding, oh my, target, hit on, oh my, he gone, he died. 14 working, money burger, wake up early, I was serving, 16 serving, I was serving, Billy Cook, with the curve, yeah I got the curtains, niggas can I look, yeah I see him lurking, Billy at my dime, my gel on my feet, bad bitches they call me, I don't have no, I'ma have to fit, if I ain't got my link, and I ain't got my weight, bitches on my dick, bitches on the tip, bitches on my tip, I got gun like tip, all my money flip.
That's what bike's on. I used to it all that, but I still put the work on it either way. But yeah, this bike so far though, it's probably the best in my collection because nobody really like has this one. I made this myself, like fully custom. But shout out to my boy Ashton back in the camera and Bike Cave for helping this build again. But yeah, if y'all want to see another bike check video on another bike of mine, please let me know, like, subscribe, do all of that. Now I'll probably do another one eventually soon. But the DK one, I know all you have to ask about that one. I haven't done the DK one yet because I'm not done. Oh, okay. I haven't finished making it yet. I'm still working a little bit stuff on it. But stay tuned for that video. I will be making that video soon. Let's see what these girls are doing now. What the fuck y'all doing?
This nigga's running all sorts of retarded. I'll be laughing if he trips and falls.
He's getting caught up. He's getting caught up. You get the cam?
Oh shit.
Yo, what happened? No work? You crippled? This guy really pulled up in a go-kart. Look at the motor back there.
You don't got brakes?
Yeesh. Yeah, I gotta show some work now. Oh, I forgot your bike fucked up. That sucks for you, buddy. Damn, that's tough. Look at this.
That's tough.
Tough for you. Psst, you fucking worm, bro.
You're a worm.
A worm. Well, let's go over here. What the fuck is this? The fuck is this?
212, man.
Is it, what?
212cc.
Oh, word? Yo, you want to see some drifts, bro? Come on, let me see some Tokyo Drift. He said, fuck. What the fuck?
The niggas are Indian. They talking that Indian shit, bro. We're gonna fucking get blown up, bro.
Oh my god, this nigga's wildin'.
What you mean?
Oh, them niggas is bike life, but look at that. They bike life.
They ain't bike like that. They got dirt bike.
They bike life. Look at them. They bike life and all that. They starting young. Yo, let me see some work. Come on. Let me see some work now. Let me see some work. Come on. Let me see some. Oh my god. This tire's crying, bro. That tires. I hope I get it on camera, like the sound of it. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, here we go. Got dark dick. Big worm. Big worm.
I'm a worm. I'm a worm.
Yeah, you a
Look what you
worm.
have on. You built like an earthworm.
Yeah, alright. Whoa! He just disrespect your ass. What you gonna say about that? Yo, what you gotta say about that? Oh, he calling you out. Yeah, suck anyway. This guy over here though, still can't do shit. Psh. Yo, wheelie that bike. Wheelie that bike. Let me see wheelie that bike. Come on.
What
Let me
bike?
see this bike right here. Why not? Man, you a worm. What happened? I thought it was any bike work. Come on.
You wheelie that bike then.
I can wheelie that bike.
Go.
Yo, Ashton.
Oh god. Oh, get alert.
Guys, I got that 2020 release. You heard?
2020 release with one max.
See that
That
boy
makes it
fall.
out of 7.
Wanna see that boy fall? You gonna bust your ass.
Yo, let me know why that max you going flat. What is that? Mom. Trade it?
Okay.
How much you put on top?
Oh my god. Oh, you hurt.
Woo! What your brakes is? On a Black Ops, we have the most ass brakes in America. We should have fucked up right now. It's so weird. I don't know. I keep trying to put it down, but I don't have it though.
Not the best, but anybody can get it.
Shut up! You can't even wheelie my bike.
I can wheelie your bike. I can wheelie any bike.
You sure? Let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see you wheelie.
Yeah, let me see my dog.
Oh, your 2020, you know.
This is not mine.
Let me see you. Let me see you.
I like that maxi.
37,000.
Retarded. This nigga's retarded. Let's see the work, yeah. Come on, let's see the work. Oh my god. Do you actually get some clips?
Nah, I'm good.
This nigga, you a worm, bro. That nigga's a clown. Oh my god. Nah, I gotta redo that. Come on, you gotta do something better than that. Come on, I thought you improved.
Nah.
Okay, the one hand. Oh my god. You got 8. That's it? One hand flex? Going around. This man really got the go-kart out and all of that. Look at this guy. This nigga. Oh my god. Oh, this nigga's wildin'. Oh, he out now. Okay. Alright. Now that we're done with the bike check video, we're gonna go ride for a little bit. I'm gonna catch some little clips of them and this nigga, especially in the go-kart. This man. But yeah.
That's it for the video. That's it. Don't like, comment, subscribe.
Nah, I'm not ending the video yet, but yeah. I'm gonna get some little clips of them riding and this and that. And then I'm probably gonna end the video after that, so yeah, enjoy these little clips and stuff. Oh, this nigga's wild.
Follow me on Snap at famous935.
This man. Oh my god, I can't have the break out. Camera's in my hand. Look at this nigga. Oh my god. Yo, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Still got it up. Oh my god. This nigga. That nigga's wildin'. He wildin'. Oh my god. That's funny. I can do a donut, nigga. This guy, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, oh, he just drifted the corner. Yo. Oh my god, this nigga's wildin'. Someone get their man. Oh my god. Yo, this man's wildin'. Bro, damn. This nigga, bro. This nigga, yo. Yo. This nigga really on the go for it. That nigga, this nigga's wildin', bro. This nigga's crazy. Alright, y'all. I'm ending this video now. This nigga crazy on the go-kart and shit. I'm with this nigga still. But yeah, hope y'all like the little this bike check slash, you know, little ride clip. Look at this nigga. Oh, this nigga's wildin'. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this little. Oh, let me get up the hill. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. You know what you have to do. Just like, subscribe, comment, all that shit. You heard it from him, but yeah, do all that if you haven't yet. Fuck, hold on, I'm climbing up this hill. I'm tired as shit.
Add my snap.
Like I said though, like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video.
DJ Ripper coming next. Don't